Hi, I'm Angel Nightingale. Welcome to Tales Around the World. This is one of my many stories I've written and other interesting videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on very interesting videos. Enjoy. Have a beautiful day to each and everyone.
Violet's Legacy, The Dawn of Luminae's Light by Angel Nightingale. Once upon a time, in the enchanted expanse of the Luminae realm, where the essence of magic intertwined seamlessly with the fabric of reality, lived King Daniel and Queen Aurora. Exiled royals from a kingdom lost to the darkness cast by the wicked witch Ezra, they found refuge among the fairies of a distant fairyland. Amidst this realm of ethereal beauty and light, they awaited the birth of a son, prophesied to be the savior who would reclaim their fallen kingdom. However, destiny weaved a different tale, gifting them with a daughter, Princess Violet. Born under the soft glow of a luminary crescent, Violet was no ordinary child. With her luscious violet locks and captivating green eyes, she radiated a power unseen and a spirit unbound. As she grew, so too did her remarkable abilities, blossoming in secret, far from the eyes of her hopeful parents. Determined to be the beacon of hope her kingdom needed, Violet vowed to embark on a perilous journey to reclaim the Luminae realm from the clutches of Ezra. Her quest led her to the hidden crystal, guarded by a dragon as ancient as time itself. With bravery in her heart, she faced the beast, and in recognizing her pure intent, the dragon bestowed upon her the crystal, empowering her to challenge the darkness. Armed with newfound strength and the blessings of the dragon, Violet set forth to confront Ezra. The path was fraught with peril, through forests ensnared by dark enchantments and over mountains that whispered of despair. Along the way, Violet encountered allies and foes alike, each encounter a test of her resolve and a testament to her courage. Among these allies was Prince Dimitri, a noble fairy prince whose destiny was entwined with Violet's own. Drawn to her by tales of her bravery, Dimitri sought her out, his heart recognizing a kindred spirit. Together, they forged a bond of love and trust, a partnership that would become the cornerstone of their victory. As Violet and Dimitri journeyed together, they faced numerous trials. From the treacherous swamps where illusions sought to lead them astray, to the haunting valleys where shadows whispered temptations, they persevered. Their love and unity becoming a beacon of light in the darkness, guiding them ever forward. The final confrontation with Ezra was a battle of epic proportions. The witch, fortified by dark magic and years of malice, unleashed her fury upon Violet and Dimitri. The air crackled with power as spells and counterspells collided, the fate of Luminae realm hanging in the balance. Violet, drawing upon the energy of the crystal and her innate power, channeled a spell of light so pure, so intense, that it pierced through the darkness. Dimitri, by her side, lent his strength to hers, their combined forces manifesting a wave of energy that overwhelmed Ezra. As the spell reached its crescendo, the witch's defenses crumbled, her screams echoing through the realm as she was consumed by her own darkness. With Ezra's defeat, the curse that had shrouded Luminae realm was lifted. Light returned to the land, its beauty and majesty restored. The fairies of the distant land, once skeptics, now celebrated Violet's triumph, their hearts filled with gratitude and admiration. King Daniel and Queen Aurora, witnessing their daughter's courage and the love she shared with Prince Dimitri, were overcome with pride and joy. They realized that Violet was the true savior of Luminae realm, her strength and heart fulfilling the prophecy in ways they had never imagined. The restoration of Luminae realm. Following their victory over the witch Ezra, Violet and Dimitri faced the monumental task of restoring Luminae realm to its former glory. The land, though free from the curse, bore the scars of long years under darkness. The royal couple embarked on a journey through the realm, seeking to mend what had been broken. The four corners of Luminae. Their first challenge lay in the restoration of the four corners of Luminae, each representing an elemental force vital to the realm's balance: the sylvan woods, earth; the azure depths, water; the searing plains, fire; and the zephyr heights, air. Each corner was guarded by a creature of immense power, now twisted by Ezra's dark influence. Sylvan Woods. In the Sylvan Woods, Violet and Dimitri encountered the guardian Treant, a colossal being of bark and leaf, its mind poisoned against all fairies. Using a combination of Dimitri's diplomacy and Violet's gentle magic, they healed the Trent's corruption, restoring its guardianship over the woods. Azure Depths. The Azure Depths presented a different challenge. The Mare Queen, protector of the waters, had turned the once calm seas into stormy tempests. Violet, tapping into the crystal's power, cleansed the waters. In gratitude, the Mare Queen pledged her allegiance to them, ensuring the safety of the realm's waterways. Searing Plains. The Searing Plains were scorched earth, its flames unending and its heat unbearable. Here, the Phoenix, reborn in darkness, resisted their approach with fierce cyclones of fire. Violet and Dimitri, through a perilous dance of evasion and approach, managed to reach the Phoenix, quelling its flames with an ancient hymn known only to the Phoenix and the royal bloodline. Reborn in light, the Phoenix soared, raining soothing flames that healed the land. Zephyr Heights. At the Zephyr Heights, the storm Djinn raged, its winds howling with the voices of the lost. Dimitri's strength and Violet's clarity calmed the Djinn's turmoil, revealing the Djinn's true nature as a gentle breeze that once nurtured the land. The Festival of Renewal. With the four corners restored, Violet and Dimitri organized a festival of renewal, inviting beings from all over the magical realms. It was a celebration of unity, marking the beginning of a new era for Luminae realm. The festival also served as their wedding celebration, binding their love and commitment to each other and to the land they vowed to protect. The Threat from Beyond. As Luminae thrived, a new threat loomed on the horizon, a dark force from beyond the realm, seeking to claim the power that Violet and Dimitri had worked so hard to protect. This force, a legion of shadow beings led by a sorcerer known only as the Void Master, sought to engulf Luminae in eternal darkness. The Final Stand. The battle against the Void Master was fierce, testing the alliances Violet and Dimitri had formed. The royal couple, alongside their allies from the Four Corners and beyond, faced the Shadow Legion in a battle that would determine the fate of their world. Using the combined powers of the land, the wisdom of their allies, and the strength of their love, they managed to seal the Void Master away, securing Luminae's safety. Violet and Dimitri's love, forged in the crucible of their adventure, was celebrated with a grand wedding. The ceremony was a fusion of light and magic, symbolizing the dawn of a new era for Luminae realm. As they stood together, united in love and purpose, they looked out upon the realm they had saved, knowing that their story was just beginning. Together, they embarked on a reign of peace and prosperity, their love story becoming a legend that echoed through the ages. It was a tale of courage, of love conquering darkness, and of a princess who defied fate to write her own destiny. The legacy of Violet and Dimitri. In the aftermath, Violet and Dimitri's rule was marked by a time of unprecedented peace and prosperity. They established a council of beings from all corners of the realm, ensuring that all voices were heard, and that Luminae would never again fall into darkness. Their love and leadership became the cornerstone of legends, inspiring future generations to uphold the values of courage, unity, and compassion. As they stood together, hand in hand, overlooking the kingdom they had saved and nurtured back to life, Violet and Dimitri knew that their story was one of many that would unfold in the tapestry of Luminae's history. But for now, they reveled in the peace they had fought for, their love a beacon for all. And thus, they lived happily ever after, their legacy a testament to the enduring power of love and the triumph of light over darkness. And they lived happily ever after, their lives a testament to the enduring magic of love, the strength of character, and the triumph of light over darkness. Luminae realm flourished under their care, a beacon of hope and beauty in a world that had known darkness, forever protected by the legacy of Princess Violet and Prince Dimitri. The end.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on very interesting videos. Have a beautiful day to each and everyone.